Hello from Slovenia again. First of all, I just want to show you, I have to put this aside. This is the, just have to, the dry result. It's not varnished yet. This is just dry result from my life. Just a second. Okay, you see, it's beautiful. I love it. And this is the moon painting. As you can see, it's shiny because all of the metallics. I wasn't sure about this one, and I'm still not sure, but I will leave it for now. And the last one, it's a girl painting. I really love this one. This is gold and some iridescent turquoise. You see, it's beautiful. And today I will do a dripping thing again. So let me take you like this. We will see how this will this angle will work. And I have this hexagon canvas, and I will do just one drip in the middle, and I will use a little wider, bigger straw. It's not bigger, it's wider, regardless to the previous ones. So so I'm putting my base coat. I don't necessarily have to cover my sides because I will tilt it later, so just to cover my canvas mostly. And I think that I added too much black, so I will tilt some of it back to the cup if I can. And I probably again use the thick base coat. I have a problem with thickness of my base coats because I normally do my dips when you have your base coat the same consistency as other paints, so on the thick side. And just a second, I have to grab my paper towels. So when I do other techniques, I normally have my paints too thick. Just want to bring you a little closer. I will pop up these air bubbles. And let's see. You see, I have this wider Oh, sorry guys. Here it is. Straw this time. And I don't know how to put this that you will see. I think that this is kind of in the middle, and I will pour a little of this black on the bottom, and let's start with this iridescent blue-green. It will take some time probably before this will came out, because it's a bigger, longer straw than normally. And I will add some silver, and you don't see how I pour my paints, okay? And some emerald green. And let's add some gold. Where is my paint? I'll just try to force it a little bit, okay. And now it will go, I hope. And I will add some blue. This is Ocean blue. And some brilliant blue. Maybe some gold again. And violet. And permanent red, violet light. Okay. And this will be it. And now we will wait. Can bring you closer now. As you can see, this wider, I hope that this is the right word, straw creates rings, not necessarily drips. So we will see how this will look. If this will be just like a ring pour, or what? So what is left in my cup I use for flower pots. Sorry, I just, you see, this is not varnish, this is just poured on my flower pots. I added some pearl white, and this is what I do with the paint that it's left in there. And now it starts dripping.